Hello and welcome to the Learning and Knowledge platform. In today's video, we will learn simplifying fractions using the long division method. The basic concept is to know the multiplication table from at least 1 times 1 to 10 times 10. This will facilitate your understanding of using the long division method to simplify simple fractions. So without wasting much time, let's try simplifying the first fraction. And the first fraction is 98 divided by 7. So how do we go about simplifying this? So using our long division method, we will have 98 divided by 7. So this is very basic example. So 9 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. So 9 take away 7 is 2. So we bring down 8 here. So we're left with 28. And from our 7 times table, we know that 7 times 4 is 28. So we put 4 and 28. So 98 divided by 7 equals 40. Let's quickly take another example, and this example will be 640 divided by 5. Again, using our long division method, we're going to have 640 and 5 here. 6 divided by 5 is 1. 5. 6 take away 5 is 1. We bring down the 4. 14 divided by 5 is 2. So if we have 2 at the top, 2 times 5 gives us 10. And 10 take away 14 take away 10, sorry. So we have 14 here at the top. Take away 10 will give us 4. Don't forget the 0. So if we bring down the 0, and from our 5 times table, we know that 5 times 8 is 40. We have 8, and at the bottom, 40. So 640 divided by 5 equals 128. Let's have another example, and in this example, we will divide, but we will not going to have a perfect division, so we will have what we call the remainder. So the number will not be able to divide the other number perfectly. So let's have 43 divided by 3. And again, using the same concept, we have 43 and 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1. And we have 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Remember the 3, we bring it down, so we have 13. 13 divided by 3. We know from our 3 times table that 3 times 4 is 12. So we have here 4, 12. 13 take away 12 is 1. So you can see that this is not perfect. So we have 43 divided by 3 will give us 14, remainder 1. we will convert this into a decimal. And how do we do this? We will convert into a decimal by putting a decimal point here at the top and adding a 0 here at the bottom. So 10 divided by 3 will give us 3, because we know from our 3 times table that 3 times 3 is 9. So that gives us 9. And 10 take away 9 is 1. So we add another 0. And we know that 10 divided by 3 again is 3. So we add another 3. And then 9. So we can keep on going on and on and on, but we're going to stop here. So we round this up and we will have 43 divided by 3 equals 14.33. Let's do another example so we can grab the concept. So I'll advise that you might like to pause the video and try it and then come back to the video to see if you had it right. So if we have 91 divided by 4, using again the same concept, our long division method, we will have 91 and 4. So 9 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4, 8. So 9 take away 8 is 1. We bring down the 1. 11 divided by 4 is 2. So we have 8, because 2 times 4 is 8. We have 3. 11 take away 8 is 3. So it's not perfect again. So we find that it will be 22 remainder 3. How do we convert to a decimal? By putting our decimal point here. And then at the bottom we add 3. 0 to 3. Where we have 3, we add 0. 30 divided by 4. We know from our 4 times table that 4 times 7 is 28. So we will have here 7 and 28. And 30 take away 28 is 2. So if we add 0, 20 divided by 4, from our times table, 20 divided by 4, you can see, from our times table, we know that 5 times 4 is 20. So we put 5 here and here 20. So if you look at the long division, you will see these are all the steps, and the answer will be 91 divided by 4. 91 divided by 4 equals 22.75. Okay, so let's do the last one, and this one will be a bigger number. Using the same method, we're going to divide. 9, 7, 5 divided by 60. So that's what we're solving. We're simplifying. So 97 divided by 60 is 1. And we have here 60. 97 take away 60 is, here we have 7 and 3, 37. So we bring down our 5, don't forget. From our times table, we know that 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 times 60 will be 360. That will be the closest to 375. So we have here 6, and that will give us 360. 375 minus 360 will give us 5 and 1. So to convert to our decimal, so we can see that it's not again a perfect division, so it will be 16, remainder 15. So what do? We put a decimal point here at the top, and we add a 0. So 150 divided by 60, we know that 6 times 2 is 12, so that will be the closest to 150. So if we put 2 here, 2 times 60 will be 120. So if you look at it, that's it. And 150 take away 120, that will give us 30. And if we add our 0, 300, we know that 5 times 6 will give us 30. So we will put here 5, and here 300. So 5 times 60 is 300. So what will our answer be? So 975 divided by 60 equals 16.25. Let me know in the comment section if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.